North America is a continent located in the Western Hemisphere and the Northern Hemisphere. It is bordered by the Arctic Ocean to the north, the Atlantic Ocean to the east, the Pacific Ocean to the west, and the South America to the southeast. North America is the third largest continent by the area and the fourth largest by population. North America is home to 23 countries, including 3 major countries: Canada, the United States, and Mexico. Here's some information about each of these countries. Antigua and Barbuda. Antigua and Barbuda is a small twin island nation located in the Caribbean Sea. It consists of 2 main islands, Antigua and Barbuda, along with several smaller islands. The capital and the largest city is St. John's, situated on the island of Antigua. Antigua and Barbuda have a rich cultural heritage influenced by African, British, and indigenous traditions. Next, Bahamas. The Bahamas is an island country in the Atlantic Ocean, comprising over 700 islands encased in the Caribbean. It is known for its stunning beaches, clear turquoise waters, and vibrant marine life. Barbados. Barbados is an island country located in the Caribbean region of North America. Popular tourist attractions include Harrison Cave, Animal Flower Cave, St. Nicholas Abbey, and the historic Bridgetown and its garrison, a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Belize. Situated on the eastern coast of Central America, Belize is known for its Caribbean beaches, Barrier Reef, the second largest in the world, and lush rainforests. It is a popular destination for diving, snorkeling, and ecotourism. Canada. Canada is the second largest country in the world by land area, occupying most of the northern part of North America. It is known for its stunning natural landscapes, including the Rocky Mountains, Niagara Falls, and vast forests. Canada is a parliamentary democracy and a constitutional monarchy with Queen Elizabeth II as the ceremonial head of state. Costa Rica. Costa Rica is a Central American country famous for its abundant biodiversity, national parks, cloud forests, and adventure tourism opportunities such as ziplining, hiking, and surfing. Cuba. Cuba is the largest Caribbean island and a country. Havana, the capital, offers a mix of colonial and modern influences. Dominica. Dominica is a small island nation located in the Caribbean Sea. It is part of the Lesser Antilles archipelago and is situated between the French overseas territories of Guadeloupe to the north and Martinique to the south. Dominican Republic. The Dominican Republic shares the island of Hispaniola with Haiti. It is known for its pristine beaches, colonial architecture, lush rainforests, and all-inclusive resorts. El Salvador. El Salvador is the smallest and most densely populated country in Central America. It offers volcanic landscapes, picturesque towns, archaeological sites, and Pacific Coast beaches. Grenada. Grenada is a small island country located in the Caribbean Sea. It is part of the Lesser Antilles and is situated northwest of Trinidad and Tobago and northeast of Venezuela. Grand Anse Beach, located in the southwestern coast of Grenada, is one of the most famous and picturesque beaches in the Caribbean. The island also boasts stunning waterfalls such as Anadel Falls and Concord Falls. Guatemala. Guatemala is known for its rich indigenous Mayan heritage, colonial architecture, and diverse landscape that include volcanoes, rainforests, and ancient ruins. Haiti. Sharing the island of Hispaniola with the Dominican Republic, Haiti is known for its unique blend of African, French, and Caribbean cultures. Honduras. Located in Central America, Honduras is known for its stunning Caribbean coastline, tropical rainforests, and Mayan ruins. It is also home to the world-renowned Copan archaeological site. Jamaica. Located in the Caribbean, Jamaica is renowned for its reggae music, lush mountains, stunning waterfalls, and beautiful beaches. Mexico. Mexico is the southernmost country in North America, sharing its borders with the United States to the north and Belize and Guatemala to the south, and has a rich cultural heritage that blends indigenous Mesoamerican civilizations with Spanish colonial influences. Nicaragua. And boasts diverse landscapes, including volcanoes, lakes, and Pacific and Caribbean coastlines. It is known for its colonial cities, such as Grenada and Leon. Panama. Situated at the southernmost point of Central America, Panama is known for the Panama Canal, connecting the Atlantic and the Pacific Oceans. St. Kitts and Nevis. Officially known as the Federation of St. Kitts and Nevis, is a two-island country located in the Caribbean Sea. Popular tourist destinations include Brimstone Hill Fortress National Park, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, and Piney's Beach on Nevis. St. Lucia. St. Lucia is a beautiful island nation located in the eastern Caribbean Sea. It is one of the Windward Islands and is part of the Lesser Antilles. The iconic Pitons, two towering volcanic peaks, are a UNESCO World Heritage Site and symbolize the island's natural beauty. The Sulphur Springs, a drive-in volcano, is another popular attraction, offering hot springs and mud baths. Other highlights include the Diamond Falls, Botanical Gardens, Pigeon Island National Landmark, and Marigot Bay. St. Vincent and the Grenadines is an island country located in the Caribbean Sea. It is part of the Lesser Antilles island chain and is situated in the southern portion of the Windward Islands. The country is composed of the main island of St. Vincent and a chain of smaller islands known as the Grenadines. Trinidad and Tobago. Trinidad and Tobago is a twin island nation located in the southern Caribbean Sea, just off the northeastern coast of Venezuela. The country gained independence from British colonial rule in the year 1962 and became a republic in the year 1976. United States of America is the third largest country by land area and third most populous country globally. Washington, D.C. is the capital city, while other major cities include New York City, Los Angeles, and Chicago. These countries collectively make up the countries of North America.